Hello friends, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to make slides logo reveal intro in After Effects. Let's have a look. Let's start. Create a new composition. Name it as logo. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make this animation. You can use images as well as videos, and also, you can add as many images as you can. Import your images. Here I am going to add only 5 images. Add the logo to timeline. If needed, you can scale your logo. Mine is perfect, so I will not scale it. We will use this logo composition at end of this tutorial. Now we will make image slideshows. Create a new composition. Name it as image 1. Add the image to the timeline. Scale the image if needed. Create another composition. Name it as image pack 1. Add image 1 composition to the timeline. In Effects and Preset, search for motion tiles. Add it to image 1 composition. Go 1 minute 10 frames forward. Create a keyframe for tile center. Come back to the start of the timeline. Change exposition values to near about 1200. Tick checkbox for the mirror edge. You can see this animation. Press U to view the keyframe. Select all keyframe. Change keyframe assistance to easy ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph as shown. Let's do same for another composition. Create a new composition. Name it as image 2. Add the image to the timeline. Create another composition. Name it as image pack 2. Add image 2 compositions to the timeline. In Effects and Preset, search for motion tiles. Add it to image 2 composition. Go 1 minute 10 frames forward. Create a keyframe for tile center. Come back to the start of the timeline. Change exposition values to near about 1200. Tick checkbox for the mirror edge. Press U to view the keyframe. Select all keyframe. Change keyframe assistance to easy ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph as shown. Now we will add text to our project. So let's create a new composition. Name it as text. Add your text. I will change the font style to FIVERR. Align the text. Go to Animate. Select Tracking. Create a keyframe for tracking amount. Set value to 70. Go 10 frames forward and change the value to 0. Select Keyframes. Change keyframe assistance to easy ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph. Now let's go back to the image pack 2 composition. Add the text composition to the timeline. Similarly, you can create this for as many images as you want. Here I will fast forward it. So here I have created this for 3 images more. So you can see I have 5 image packs. Now let's create a new composition. Name it as Animate. Let's add image pack 1 composition to the timeline. Now let's draw the mask over the image. Now select the pen tool. Press Shift and select the edge of the mask. Then drag it to some distance as shown. Now create a keyframe for mask path. Go 1 second forward. Press Ctrl and select the to edge of the mask layer. Now change the position of the mask as shown. You can see this animation. Select the keyframe, change keyframe assistance for easy ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph. If you want, you can increase the distance between the keyframes. Now change the mask mode to subtract. Now add all image packs to the timeline. Now select the image pack 1, press U to view keyframes, select the mask layer, go to edit and select copy. Go to image pack 2. And paste it. This will save you time for doing this for all image packs. Do this for all remaining image packs. Now let's change the position of all compositions. Place it as I have shown. This is what we have made so far. Create a new composition. Name it as Final. Create a new solid. In Effects and Presets, search for Ramp. Add it to the solid layer. Change ramp shape to radial ramp. Change the start and end color. Adjust the points. Change ramp scatter to 300. Let's add animate composition to timeline. Add the logo composition which we have already created. Change the logo and animate composition to 3D. Select the logo composition, press P to bring up the position. Go 4 seconds forward. Create a keyframe. Change Z-axis value to near about -2400. Go 10 frames forward, change the value to 0. Adjust the position of the keyframe as per your slide image animation. Select keyframes, change keyframe assistance to easy ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph. Press T to bring the opacity. Go 4 seconds forward. Create a keyframe for opacity. Go 1 second forward, change the value to 0. Press U to bring up keyframe. Select keyframes. Change keyframe assistance to easy ease. As per your image animation, adjust the keyframe for position. Select logo composition. Press Ctrl+T to create a duplicate of logo composition. Select the animate composition. Change track matte for animate to the alpha matte logo. Select the above logo composition. Press U to view all keyframes. We need to change the opacity keyframe value. For first keyframe, change value from 100 to 0. For second keyframe, change value to 0 to 100. Now let's play with some colors. Create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Presets, search for Vibrance. Add it to the adjustment layer. Change vibrance value to 70. Search for Tint. Add it to layer. Change mapping color. Change amount of tint to 15. Add again tint to layer. Change mapping color for black and white. Change amount of tint to 15. Search for curves. Add curves to layer. Adjust the graph as shown. Search for exposure. Add it to layer. Change channel to individual channel. Change blue offset value to 0.05. Create a new solid. Draw the mask. Change mask mode to subtract. You can also add tagline or URL. Let's add website URL. Create a new text. Add your text. Change the text color. Align the text to the center. Go 5 seconds forward. Position the text below the logo. Change the color of the text to match the logo. Press T to bring up the opacity. Create a keyframe for opacity. Change value to 0. Go 5 frames forward. Change the value to 100. Here our animation is ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any query or question, you are free to comment below. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.